Okay, so this is how you would enroll a student. First, you as the admin would have to log in. And so you log in. And there's two steps to this. You first have to add the user, and then you have to enroll the user. So adding it just means is you're going to add their name and some information, and then you have to enroll them in a class. So there's two steps here. Who are we going to enroll? Let's see. Add John Doe, ID number 123456 from El Monte High School into English 3B. Notice these are the four things we definitely need to know. We need to know the student's first last name, ID number, high school, or location. It could be adult school, whatever it is, and then the course. All right, so let's go back here. And so first step, add user right here on the top. I bookmarked it for you. And then we're gonna username. We'll just stick to the same as we've been doing, which was John Doe, like that, uppercase, lowercase. I do believe, I don't remember what. Actually, I think they're both lowercase. So John Doe, and then we put their ID number 123456. That's what Oliver's been doing for all the students. First initial, last initial, ID number together. Then we put a password right here. And I do believe the password 123456, and we've just been using their ID number. If you're not sure if you wrote it correctly, you can always unmask, and 123456, there's their password. So again, that's just their ID number. First name, John. Last name, Doe. Email address. I think since the email just attaches the information to their name, this might be useful to other people when they see their name, to also see their ID number and school site. So we'll just put their ID number, 123456, whatever their ID number is, at, and then their school site. So this particular student is at El Monte High School, and we'll just put .com there, because it needs to be some type of email format for this software. And skip everything right here, skip everything, go into optional, and under ID number, right here, put in their ID number, 123456, and this is useful for, the only reason we have to do this is for ourselves. This is so we can later run reports, and it makes it easier for ourselves. Location, this is also helps us run reports later on. EMHS, so notice I have adult school, I have Ledesma here, Rosemead, everybody. So I'll put El Monte High School, create user. And the user's been created. Now we need to enroll them in the course. If you remember right here, they need to be in English 3B. So that's not too hard. Enroll user. This is an alphabetical order by the last name. Last name was Doe. So we'll go to the D's, and there's the name, John Doe, right here. So I've selected John Doe. Role student. Make sure you don't move this because you don't want to give them the role as a teacher. So don't, or a manager or anything like that. So just never touch this. This will always be student default. And then we're going to find the correct class, 3, what class was? I think I said 3B, yeah. So 3B, there we go. And here there's a bunch of courses here. And we're going to choose 3B. Ignore everything down here. This is if we want certain dates for them to end and stuff like that. And then push this button, which is, I think, in French, but I'm not sure. So just push that, and that's done. They're enrolled. I can verify that right now. I'll actually go to English 3B. You don't have to do this. You're done now. The student's able to get in. Just give them their username and password, and that's it. We'll just verify this right now for you guys. English 3B. And if I go to users, and I go to enrolled users, let me just see if they're there. Good. We have student John Doe. Never accessed. We have Miss Barton as a teacher. So that works great. Since I'm continuing, you don't have to watch this anymore, but I'll show you this student logging in and what it looks like for the student. It was John Doe 123456, password 123456, their ID number, login, and it just looks like this, my course, and they're in English 3B. So all works well. All right. Email me or call me if you have any questions.